is. Here we go. Are you ready?
No, so you didn't account for initial velocity. So you said at initial velocity is 0, but you did time from 1 to 4.
No, I didn't.
You did 3.5. 3.5 is time from 1 to 4. It should be 2.48 from 2 to 4.
I have it listed out. So you're saying from 2 to 4 should be
2.48. So
yeah. Did I not do that?
you did 3.05, which is time from 1 to 4.
Oh, I'm sorry. You're right. It should have been 2. Yeah, you're right.
So it's 24.28 meters.
Okay. So the velocity. So if I was using v final equals v initial plus a times delta t.
Yeah.
Okay. And my v final is what I'm looking for. V initial is 0 plus my negative 9.81 meters per second squared times the time from 2 to 4, which is what?
2.48.
48 seconds. Yes, that's correct, and I apologize. That's correct. So it's 2.48 times 9.81 negative is negative 24.3. Equals negative 24.3 meters per second. Correct. Yeah, guys, catch. I'm going fast because I know we just want to get the answers. I want to get on. I apologize if I'm making a mistake. Just call it out. If I miss something, just call it out. All right. Don't wait to the end. All right. So that's correct. So negative 24.3 meters per second. Okay. All right. So, all right. What I wanted, because I want to get to this point, because now it's going to start to get interesting. Okay. Oh no. Okay. Okay, so now I've got a ball. All right, I hate balls. I got to figure out another. Huh? Okay, here we go. We're gonna have.
Colby, how about Colby Castro at the top? And fling him.
Is that a duck?
A duck?
It's Superman. It's a bird. It's a plane.
It's a flying elephant.
It looks like a flying pig.
I know. I have to get better drawing my elephants. Okay. Shh. Okay. The velocity of the elephant, okay, equals 25 meters per second. The height is 30 meters up. Okay? What I want to know is when and where the elephant will land. All right.
Just to the side.
Just to the side. Yep. I want you to know when and where it's going to land. When and where it's going to land. I want you guys to think about this.
How high is it?
30 meters up. 30 meters up. Hmm?
It's just it shouldn't affect all of it. So it's just
Yeah, for college students. But there are many people in New York who don't have, a lot of people don't have, 80% of the apartments don't have laundry in the building, in the room itself, only in the building. Okay, all right, so let's talk about this. You guys have figured this all out? Everyone figured this out? What's the big magic thing here you got to figure out?
you have to time to figure out.
Okay, so you've got two different motions. You've got vertical and horizontal. And the thing that connects both of them is time, right?
Yep.
Can you figure out how far it's going to get based on 25 meters a second alone? By the way, what kind of motion do I have horizontally?
Constant.
Constant what? Constant velocity. So my constant velocity equation is velocity equals change in distance over change in time. Well, I have my velocity, but I'm looking for my distance. By the way, what is that distance? What determines that distance?
The time.
The time, but time for it to do what?
Hit the ground.
hit the ground. The ground's going to stop it from moving, right? So you're going to ultimately end with a big pit here, and then like that, right?
Okay. So it hits the ground.
Yeah, it hits the ground.
Let's just say.
Okay, so you're going to do one of these things, right? So the issue is you need to know that distance. Well, to your point, what's the time? Well, how do you know the time? How do you figure out the time?
Time to fall.
Time to fall, right? So it's a time to fall. So which is, so how do you figure the time to fall? What kind of vertical motion do I have?
Projectile.
No, okay, what kind of vertical motion do I have? Constant acceleration. So my change in distance is my constant acceleration, change in distance for constant acceleration, plus any initial velocity I have times delta t. Well, do I have an initial velocity?
No.
So that goes to 0, right? So now my delta distance, and what's my delta distance? 30. So 30? 30? 30? Thank you. Negative 30 meters. Negative 30 equals 1/2 times negative 9.81 meters per second squared times my delta t squared. So that gives me delta t of what, guys? What'd you guys get?
2.47.
Did everyone get 2.47?
Yeah.
2.47 seconds. I'm going off of your judgment there. So now I've got my delta t, because the delta t for my vertical is going to be the same as the horizontal. So now I'm going to say, okay, well, that's 25 meters a second, positive, equals my delta distance over my 2.47 seconds. So delta distance, 2.47 times 25, which is 61.75 meters. Does everyone get that? Okay. So it's going to get a little more complicated the next time you do this, but good work. All right.